are an impact incubator. We are women-led, and our focus is supporting early stage SGBs, focused on social and environmental challenges, really those contributing to the SDG goals. And a couple of years ago, I think end of 2019, we decided to intentionally develop a gender smart strategy and began implementing it from last year. And now we are kind of taking those learnings into a gender smart incubation program and training for other incubators in the region. And out of that gender smart strategy actually came the WeRise program, which I'll talk about today. Next slide. And WeRise really was one of the grantees of AWEF. It's an accelerator program that was designed specifically for women entrepreneurs, and it's the first accelerator dedicated to women entrepreneurs in the Philippines, and it's focused on really investment readiness, so getting women entrepreneurs access to the right type of capital that is suited to them, and really backing ambitious women entrepreneurs. Of course, all of this happened at the start of the pandemic. So all of the design that we had when we were actually initially talking to Andy and team had to kind of be reworked quite a bit given the challenges of the pandemic. So we actually had to really then, while we wanted to kick off with really intensive investment readiness, etc., we had to pause and reflect and really dedicate the first 3 months to supporting women entrepreneurs really survive the pandemic and just make sense of all of it. And also then we actually then started thinking about, okay, how do they, now they've survived, how do they start thriving? And then came back all of the intensive investment readiness support. And that was really in 2 or 3 parts. First is really building the confidence of women entrepreneurs around understanding and articulating their own financials. And we spent a lot of time capacitating one-on-one in group sessions, etc. And the second part was really through technical assistance, delivered specifically by attaching actually an accounting firm for each of the companies and helping them really make sense of their books, clean it up, get all the financial statements in order in preparing for due diligence for raising capital. And of course, the third part is also on the other side, talking to investors and financial institutions and trying to make sure that they are also educated on kind of the needs of very early stage women-led businesses. So what actually has happened because of the pandemic, out of the 20, only about 6 actually needed capital urgently. And through the course of the program, 3 of them have already closed funding. This is a mix of equity because only some needed equity. The others needed working capital loans. And the other 3 are now currently closing their round. The others want to raise capital, but that's not their priority right now. They're really trying to improve and get more revenue in. So out of this accelerator program, along with the women entrepreneurs, actually came a new platform beyond that could last beyond the confines of a program. And that is really what we're calling the WeRise community. This is a fully virtual access to finance focused platform that connects women entrepreneurs to investors, funders, financial institutions, and also a learning curriculum that we've made open for any woman entrepreneur who wants to join the platform. And it's focused on 2 things, starting from really people understanding the absolute basics of finance, which is really, what is revenue, how does cash flow statement work, what is a balance sheet, etc., to a core investment readiness program, which is self-paced. Because one of the things we learned in the pandemic is that women entrepreneurs are really stretched for time. So, forcing them to be in very confined, sessions, which can happen, but it is very difficult to do that very frequently. So out came a self-paced curriculum. And we are very happy to say that this community has expanded. We have close to 100 members today. And then UN Women has really collaborated with us to bring this platform to life. And we have fairly ambitious plans for it. So excited to see a lot of investors as well. And there are 2 deals that have already closed because they met through this community.